My darlings, welcome to another product review video. We are testing Temu, and today I'm doing things a little bit differently. There will be no edits, no speeding up. You are coming along with me in real time, the actual experience of opening up this binder, trying to get my diamond dot paintings in there. You're going to see the good, the bad, and everything in between, and then at the very end, we'll give it a score. As we go along, here are the things we are judging it on. The value. How much does it cost? You know that I'm the frugal mama here on YouTube. How much does it cost? Is it worth it? How's the quality? Well, you're going to see that as we go along. And then also through the lens of someone with pretty severe arthritis in my hands, is it accessible? Is it usable for someone who is less able-bodied? Let's jump in. All right, what can I say, my darlings? The quality, you get what you pay for. But honestly, sometimes with Temu and other sites like that, you can get some pretty amazing stuff. But I think it's wise to always keep your expectations, kind of low, so that if it doesn't work out great, well, that's a bummer, but we learn. And then if it turns out amazing, well, then you're just super pleased. Or an even better option, request in the comments below an item that you are interested in, whether it's from Temu, Amazon, Walmart, wherever it is that you found it, even the Dollar Tree. Tell me all about it in the comments below, and we will see if I can get a hold of it and test it for you so that you get a real, honest, thorough review without having spent a dime. So with the arthritis in my hands, yeah, it was a little bit difficult. We had some struggles. I also found that because the diamond dot paintings have the adhesive, the sticky all the way around them, that did become a bit of an issue, especially with the super thin plastic sheeting. Yes, but we persevered and we conquered. And once I really got into a rhythm, things, got better. We did better. There's also the fact that there were many sizes. You know, I think what I might do is maybe invest in a smaller one that'll hold some of the smaller sizes. The issue there, though, is I don't really want to do many more of those small diamond paintings. I've actually been avoiding the smaller ones. Why? I don't know. It's just a thing. And I absolutely could enjoy some of the smaller diamond paintings. And that might even be better for me with the arthritis and, you know, finishing something more quickly. And that might be a bit of a, you know, boost in the mood or something, feeling of accomplishment. I don't know. But if I do end up doing more of the small ones, then yeah, I will probably get one of the smaller binders. Okay. To sum up, was it worth what I paid? Yes. Yes, it was. It was a super good deal. It was free shipping. Plus, because I bought that and some other things along with it, I was able to get a couple of free items. And you know, Mama always loves free. Can I recommend it to my fellow semi-abled, other abled, disabled friends? Well, if it's trouble in your hands, you might need a little bit of help or at least some planning ahead of time, or check out how I finally got things sorted out towards the end when I figured out what needed to be done and how it should be done. Things got a lot easier. So at least, you know, you can learn from my mistakes. And maybe it won't be as difficult for you. But really, you're getting what you pay for. And the plastic sheets are incredibly thin. Not quite tissue paper, but they are thin. So I would not recommend this as something that you're going to let like the kids, the grandkids, the nieces, the nephews, the neighbors be looking through all the time. For an adult who's being careful and cautious, this will absolutely do the job. And after your many diamond painting adventures, you can sit in a comfortable chair with a fabulous cup of coffee or whatever else and enjoy all of the sparkly projects you have completed. That is it for today's unsponsored, completely honest and thorough review of this diamond painting binder. I paid for it myself, but I am including my affiliate link for it below. I do make a couple of pennies here and there with the affiliate links. So if you choose to buy anything from Temu, I know you call it Temu, through my link, be sure to also grab the discount code. Doesn't have to be the binder, it can be anything. Don't forget to leave your requests, suggestions for other products that you are interested in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Let's keep decluttering, organizing, making better use of our space, and enjoying what we have and what we create and being able to see it on a more regular basis and not just stuffed away somewhere. Have a great day. See you soon.